Good morning all. Today we are going to learn about the hexadecimal number system. As you all know, hexadecimal number system means its base is 16. So once again I repeat, the base is 16. Remember, we had learned about the decimal number system. What was its base? It was 10. So decimal number system, the base is 10. Again, for the binary, tell me, the base is 2. And you know that in decimal system, 10 numbers means from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It becomes, the count is 10. Binary it is just 1 and 0, the count is 2. Similarly in hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. So we know that from 0 to 9 there is 10 counts, and after that you have the alphabets A, B, C, D, E and F, right? So here in the table I have shown the decimal equivalent of binary and hexadecimal. So you can see the binary I have written in 4 bits, that is for a purpose. 0 corresponding 4 bit is, all 4 bits are 0, and you have the hexadecimal as 0 itself. 1 is, the binary 4 bit number is 0001. So remember, 4 bit you have to write all the 4 bits, whether it is zeros, doesn't matter, you have to put that zeros also, because the place value is very, very important. 0001, and here again it is 1. Let's again look at 10. Here in 10 you can see that the 4-bit binary number is 1010 and the corresponding hexadecimal is A. So 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E and 15 is F. Now let's learn about the binary to hexadecimal conversion. In binary to hexadecimal conversion, what we do is, we start with the binary point and then break it into the 4-bit groups. So starting with the binary point, we break it into 4-bit groups. So I'll just show you how it is. So here you have the number. So what we do is, we start with the binary point, we just mark a point and then just break it into 4 groups, 4-bit groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3. But if there is no, this is only 3, then you just put a 0 and then put this, make it into 4. Now this is 1011, right? 1011 is 8 plus 3 is 11, and the corresponding 11 means it is B. See? B. So you just put your B here. Here it is 1010. It is corresponding 10. It is A. So this is A. And this is 0110. So it is 6. So my equivalent hexadecimal number is 6A B to the base 16. Similarly, the next one, you can see here, you can again start with the binary point, break it into 4 groups, 4 bits. This is 1 bit, 1 group, 1101. Next is, we put a different color, 11. This is next color. Next group, 4-bit group, 1101. Again you have another one. Okay. This one, 1010, and then you have again this one. So the corresponding number is, tell me, 110. So it is 12 plus 1, 13. This is D, right? This is D. Again this one is, tell me, 1011. That is again 1011 is, you have, see this 11B. This is 0101, that is again 5, and this all fours are 1 means F. So my number is F5BD to the base 16. Now take the assignment. Please do write this number. Convert it into the hexadecimal number system. Next we are going to learn about the hexadecimal to binary conversion. So what we do is, so I'll just give you an example. So if you want to convert 10A, suppose this is my hexadecimal number. So it is a reverse order of what we have done earlier. What we did, starting with the binary point, you split it into 4 groups. And then you write the equivalent hexadecimal number. Now your hexadecimal number is given. So what you do? You write the 4-bit equivalent binary number. That is all. Okay. So for the first case, you can see that A means it is 10. So equivalent number is 1010. The next number is 0. So we have to put, remember, all the 4 zeros. Don't put just 1 0. Put all 4 zeros. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 1. And again you have 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is how we can convert it into the binary equivalent. So next one is again 570. So you just tell me how we can convert D means it is 13, right? 13 means 1, 1, 12. So this is 13. 7, or you have to write it in 4 bits. Remember, it is 0, 1, 1, 1. And again 5 is again 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is my equivalent binary numbers. Okay. Now take the assignment. Convert the following into binary numbers. 104A to the base 16, 9742 to the base 16, CF83 to the base 16, DE2.8 to the base 16. Next, how do you count in hexadecimal? So you know how you count in decimal number system, because you have taught this. You were taught this in your really KG classes. If not so, at least in your first standard or second standard. So you start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, all the numbers have been exhausted. You go to the higher number, higher digit. The place value is higher. That is 10, 11, 12, etc. till 19. It gets exhausted. You go to 2. Again you have all the zeros right side, all 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 gets exhausted, and like that you can go to 9 in 2 digits. Then you go to the higher order when that gets exhausted, and so on. Similarly in hexadecimal also you have the same thing. You start with 0 to F, and then after it gets exhausted you go from 10 to 11, 12 etc. to 1F. After that it gets exhausted. Again you go to 20, 21, 22 till 2F, 30 etc. to 3F, and so on till FF. it gets exhausted, and then you carry on to 100. Now let's look how to convert hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So what we have is, we know how to convert hexadecimal to binary, and then you also know, you have learned how to convert binary to decimal. So first you start with hexadecimal, then to binary, and then that is being converted to decimal system. Now look here, you have 1C. So that's very quite simple. You can really write the equivalent 4-bit numbers. So your C is, A is 10, B is 11, and C is 12. So the binary equivalent is 1100 for C, and for 1 it is 1. So here not much. Still you practice writing in 4 bits. Leftmost bit is, if it is 1 also you can just write. Okay. So now you can see that now you just convert to decimal. This is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. That's enough, no? So 2 raised to 0 is 0, plus 2 raised to 1 is 0 again, 2 raised to 2 is 4, then you have that 8, and again you have 16. So 16 plus 8, so one sec, C is 12, no, C is 13, sorry. Just forgot to put this. So this 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. Okay. So it is, so I just rub off this so that. Okay, coming back, this is 1 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. So I have 28 plus 1, 29, right? Base 10. Am I correct? 8 plus 4 is 12. Huh? Oh, sorry, this is 12 itself, right? What all these? Sorry. It's 28. Okay. So we got it here. I had done this before. Similarly, you just find it for A8, 5. So 5 is 1 0 1 1 0 1. Sorry, 0 1 0 1. 8 is 1 0 0, and A is 1 0 1 0. So you have can just calculate it, and it comes about 2693 to the base 16. Now take an assignment. Convert the following to decimal number system. To convert the following hexadecimal to decimal number system. E5 to the base 16, 10E to the base 16, 48 to the base 16, and 9B to the base 16. So kindly do all these problems and come to my next class. Thank you all.